This is Pretend Farmer Girl, and here we go. We have our property. It's 1.15 acres. We are in an agricultural zone and residential zone, and I am just so excited to share this journey with you guys as we turn this diamond in the rough to our beautiful Pretend Farmer Girl, not pretending anymore, lush permaculture full of trees and vegetables and living off the land paradise. I just hope that you can be excited for this as we are. We are going to build a big red barn. We're going to do a permaculture, aquaponics. We're going to get pigs for meat. We're going to do chickens for eggs and meat. I'm going to do cooking projects, foraging projects, house projects, just all kinds of adventures and projects. I just am so excited and I love this. So I hope that you will join us on this journey to our home sweet home as a real farmer girl. Please like and subscribe. This is Pretend Farmer Girl signing out.